Just in the nick of time. I was expecting to record a tornado watch, but this popped up.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 401, effective until 9 p.m.
It's the issue
This watch includes the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Middlesex, Monmouth, Morris, Somerset, Sussex, and Warren, and the following marine locations: coastal waters from Sandy Hook to Manasquan, Inlet, New Jersey, out 20 nautical miles, and coastal waters from Manasquan, Inlet to Little Egg, Inlet, New Jersey, out 20 nautical miles. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.